Welcome to this deep dive into the exciting world of using virtual reality, VR, to enhance mental health through meditation and relaxation techniques. With the rise of VR technology, it's no longer just for gaming. VR has become a valuable tool for mental well-being. In this tutorial, we'll cover the benefits of VR meditation, guide you through top apps, and show you how to create an optimal environment for relaxation. Whether you're new to VR or an experienced user, this guide will help you leverage VR to boost mindfulness and reduce stress. Virtual reality offers a groundbreaking way to achieve mental well-being through fully immersive experiences. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how VR meditation works, its benefits, and some of the best platforms available today. With VR, you can create serene, customizable environments that make deep relaxation more accessible than ever. Whether you're dealing with stress, anxiety, or simply want to deepen your meditation practice, this tutorial will help you get started with VR for mental health. Understanding virtual reality meditation. What is VR meditation? VR meditation takes the practice of mindfulness and integrates it with immersive, 360-degree environments to provide a deeper, more effective experience. Unlike traditional meditation, where external distractions might interfere, VR enables users to transport themselves into calm, relaxing settings. Why VR meditation works? VR taps into the brain's natural inclination to respond to visual stimuli. By controlling the environment, users can enter a state of calm and focus much more quickly than with traditional mindfulness exercises. Psychological benefits of VR meditation and relaxation. Stress reduction. Studies have shown that VR meditation significantly reduces cortisol levels, a stress hormone, and improves mood. The ability to fully immerse yourself in a serene environment can be a powerful way to de-stress after a long day. Some VR meditation apps even allow for guided sessions with relaxing music or nature sounds to further enhance relaxation. Boost in emotional well-being. VR-based relaxation tools can also enhance emotional regulation, helping people manage anxiety, depression, and trauma. Some VR platforms are designed specifically to address mental health, providing specialized environments aimed at reducing panic attacks, managing anger, and fostering emotional stability. Top VR platforms for meditation. Calm VR, a popular app for both smartphone users and VR headsets. Calm VR provides beautiful 3D landscapes. Designed to enhance meditation, such as beaches, forests, or mountain tops. Users can participate in guided meditations designed by professionals, including specific tracks for anxiety, sleep, and focus. Trip VR. Trip is an innovative VR meditation app that offers an immersive, psychedelic experience using visual and auditory stimuli. It aims to reduce stress and increase mental resilience by combining deep breathing techniques with visual journeys through unique, abstract worlds. Nature Treks VR. For those who prefer open-ended, unguided meditation experiences, Nature Treks allows users to explore natural environments, from underwater coral reefs to starlit skies. The peaceful ambience encourages users to disconnect from everyday stressors while focusing on their breath. Setting up your VR meditation environment. Choosing the right VR headset. Depending on your needs, some of the best headsets for VR meditation include the Oculus Quest 2, HTC Vive, or the PlayStation VR. Each offers a unique balance of quality, price, and compatibility with meditation apps. Oculus Quest 2, standalone and wireless, perfect for ease of movement. HTC Vive, high-end quality with superior graphics for an even more immersive experience. PlayStation VR, great for users who already own a PlayStation console and want a VR meditation experience without needing a separate device. Creating a comfortable physical space. Ensure your meditation area is clutter-free and quiet. VR meditation can be most effective when your external surroundings are not distracting. Ideally, create a dedicated space where you can sit comfortably for an extended period without interruption. Best practices for effective VR meditation. Start slow. If you're new to VR, start with shorter sessions, around 5 to 10 minutes, to acclimate your body and mind to the virtual environment. Gradually build up to longer sessions as you become more comfortable. Posture and breathing. Just like traditional meditation, posture is crucial. Use a comfortable chair or sit cross-legged on the floor, keeping your back straight. Focus on slow, deep breathing to sync with the guided VR experience. Monitor your screen time. Prolonged exposure to VR can cause eye strain or motion sickness in some users. Take regular breaks to rest your eyes and ensure that you're not overwhelming yourself. Challenges and limitations of VR meditation. Motion sickness. Some users may experience discomfort during their first VR sessions. Choosing a headset with a high refresh rate and limiting quick head movements can reduce this effect. Balance between VR and reality. It's important to remember that while VR can be a powerful tool for relaxation, it's still crucial to maintain real-world connections and avoid over-reliance on virtual spaces. Maximizing the experience with personalization. Customize environments. Most VR meditation apps allow users to tweak their environments. For example, users can select different times of the day, e.g., meditating during sunrise versus sunset, change background sounds, or adjust the intensity of visual stimuli. Integrating biofeedback. Some advanced VR meditation apps use biofeedback to monitor your heart rate and stress levels, adjusting the experience in real time based on your body's responses. This can help deepen relaxation and improve mindfulness. Thank you for joining us in exploring how virtual reality can be used to enhance your meditation and relaxation practices. VR has the potential to transform the way we approach mental health, and integrating it into your daily routine could lead to powerful results. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you've tried VR meditation and share your favorite apps with the community. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.